How to make rolling and credits in CapCut. So open the CapCut and choose your video like this and choose your video and position now and click here the text option and enter your text, like type your name, like text now created, like type your text and write button now and style option, click here and style now and you will see options like English font. So select your font and position now like font long press and starting keyframe now add, just move down and enter your keyframe, first keyframe. So enter your first keyframe and enter your last keyframe and move up like this, and you can see your video is ready. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.